Let me think. Is that Izzy? Yeah, that's Izzy. And I think that one's a male. I don't know. You guys are so much alike. That one is Delilah. Delilah is playing with Mitzi. I'm going to learn all your names. I promise. What'd they name you? Michael has to call me and tell me what they named you because he either didn't name you yet or I forgot. What? What, pretty girl? What is it? Do you want all the attention? Do you want all the attention? Oh my goodness.